Hello students. Today we are going to study a very important topic, natural calamities, especially flood and earthquake. This topic is extremely important for exams and also for understanding real-life disasters. Let us begin. A natural calamity is a sudden and violent event caused by natural forces that leads to loss of life, property, and environment. These disasters cannot be completely prevented, but their impact can be reduced through proper planning and awareness. Natural calamities are of different types. Geological includes earthquake and volcano. Hydrological includes flood and drought. Meteorological includes cyclone and storm. Biological includes epidemics and pandemics. A flood occurs when water overflows onto land that is normally dry. It is one of the most common disasters and affects millions of people every year, especially in countries like India. Floods are caused by both natural and human factors. Heavy rainfall is the most common cause. Rapid snowmelt increases river water. Cyclones bring storm surges. Human activities like deforestation and poor drainage make floods worse. There are different types of floods. River floods occur when rivers overflow slowly. Flash floods occur suddenly within a few hours and are very dangerous. Urban floods happen in cities due to poor drainage. Coastal floods occur due to cyclones or tsunami. Floods cause serious damage. People lose their lives and homes. Crops are destroyed. Waterborne diseases like cholera and typhoid spread easily. However, floods can also deposit fertile soil, which helps agriculture. Floods can be managed through structural and non-structural measures. Dams store excess water. Embankments control river flow. Early warning systems help people prepare and evacuate safely. An earthquake is the sudden shaking of the Earth's surface caused by release of energy inside the Earth. This energy travels in the form of seismic waves. Focus is the point inside the Earth where the earthquake starts. Epicenter is the point on the surface directly above the focus. Maximum damage occurs near the epicenter. Earthquakes mainly occur due to tectonic plate movement. The Earth is made of plates that move slowly. When these plates collide or slide, energy is released. Volcanic activity and human activities like mining can also cause earthquakes. There are three types of seismic waves. P waves are the fastest and travel through solids, liquids, and gases. S waves are slower and travel only through solids. Surface waves are the slowest but cause the most damage. Earthquakes are measured using the Richter scale. It measures magnitude or energy released. It is logarithmic, which means each increase by one number means 10 times more shaking. For example, magnitude 7 is 10 times stronger than magnitude 6. Earthquakes cause ground shaking, building collapse, and landslides. They can also cause tsunami if they occur under the sea. Fires and infrastructure damage are also common after earthquakes. During an earthquake, always follow the rule: drop, cover, and hold on. Drop to the ground, take cover under a table, and hold on until shaking stops. Do not run outside during shaking. India has a strong disaster management system. National Disaster Management Authority gives guidelines. National Disaster Response Force handles rescue operations. India Meteorological Department provides warnings.